Hello, welcome again to Get Data Solution. We have started discussing about data quality assessment, and specifically, we have started data quality standards. In the previous videos, we have seen precision, validity, and reliability. And in today's topic, we'll see one important other standard, which is integrity. We'll start as usual with definition and assess the questions that are very relevant to this integrity data standard. So let's start with definition. Integrity is the maintenance of data accuracy and consistency throughout its entire life cycle, from creation and collection to storage and processing and using it. So that is the definition for integrity. So let's evaluate the questions that actually we have designed to evaluate integrity. So the first one is, as usual, let me actually start from scratch and just removing the already filled data. So does the staff, M&D, and the project staff in this particular case, which are working on that particular project, conduct site visits to verify quality of data collection and reporting? If we have an evidence for that, if there is a field report or something like that that verifies site visits have been there and the quality of data and reporting were checked, so we can say yes completely. So as usual, we have to just based on evidence. Okay, evidence is needed. Always see for evidence. Evidence is very important. Always we have to look for evidence for our selection. So the next one is there a written backup procedure for when data entry or data processing is computerized? Okay, if the entity or the level that are actually reporting this have a written backup or procedure when data entry or data processing computerized. If the backup process is there, you can say yes completely. If they are actually missing on this, we can say yes partly. The third one is, are steps taken to limit error in the data process from paper form or register to electronic forms? Like, for example, avoid double entry of data on the random data quality checks. So for example, in the previous we have seen that this indicator is underreported, so probably this is partly because of that we haven't, the team will not checked the source document properly. So the next one is, have data errors been tracked to their original source and corrected in case of error, and if applicable, of course. For this, it is applicable because what is reported was 5 and the original data was 6. So this is not at all. For example, we may say errors were not corrected timely, something like that. We can write based on the evidence we have. Remember, always we have to see for evidence. Number 5, are there proper safeguard mechanism in place to prevent unauthorized change to the data? This is to check whether the data, including this indicator and others as well, properly filed and most probably in the right place. So to avoid and prevent unauthorized changes to the data, if such things are perfectly there, we can say yes completely, yes completely. Otherwise, if the document is actually on the floor and just thrown somewhere, we may say partly, or if it is just badly placed, we may say not at all. So for this, let's say yes completely for the timing. So that is it, and let's evaluate the value for integrity in our famous chart for integrity. Here is integrity just between precision and accuracy right now. So that is it. Thank you very much, and bye bye. We'll meet again on the next indicator.